Welcome back, tool fans. Today we've got a massive lineup of fresh releases from some of the biggest names in the tool world. We're talking Milwaukee, Bosch, Skil, Ryobi, and more. We've got everything from turbo dusters, grab OS, cutters, scrubbers, caulk guns, and chainsaws. Plus, other brand new lineup of platinum tools that just hit the market. So let's dive right in. Bosch is expanding their 18-volt cordless nailer lineup with something Finnish carpenters and woodworkers are going to love: the G&H18V35N brushless 23-gauge pin nailer. This tool delivers precise fastening without the need for compressors or hoses, giving you total freedom on the job site. It's powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor paired with an optimized coil spring system that drives 23-gauge pins smoothly and consistently. The magazine holds up to 110 nails, and it even features a dry-fire lockout that stops operation when you're down to your last few nails, protecting your material from unwanted marks or damage. You'll also get tool-free depth adjustment for precise countersinking, reduced recoil, and non-marring contact tips to keep your finished surfaces flawless. If you want consistent power, clean performance, and full portability, the Bosch GSA18V35N is ready to go. Available now bare for $199. Moving on, Skil just launched a real game-changer for mechanics and DIYers alike. This is the PowerCore 20 brushless 20V half-inch impact wrench, delivering up to 220 foot-pounds of fastening torque and a whopping 260 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. It's built around a digital brushless motor that pushes up to 3,000 revolutions per minute and 3,350 RPM, giving you the power to break loose stubborn bolts, wheel lugs, and heavy-duty fasteners with ease. The design is sleek and compact, only 5.97 inches long and 2.2 pounds light, making it perfect for tight engine bays or undercar work. You'll get 2 speed settings, a variable speed trigger for precision control, and a half-inch anvil with friction ring for quick socket swaps. Plus, Skil added an LED work light with pre-light and afterglow, an electric brake for faster workflow, and a metal gearbox for long-lasting durability. It's available now in a 2 amp-hour kit for just $109, offering incredible value for the performance it delivers. Now, Milwaukee just dropped a grinder that redefines control and safety in cutting and grinding. This is the M18 Fuel 4.5 and 6-inch dual trigger braking grinder, model 3676-20, and it's engineered for high-risk environments where one-handed operation simply isn't an option. The dual trigger system ensures both hands stay on the tool, preventing accidental slips or kickback. It also features a 15-position permanent side handle, letting you find the perfect grip and angle for any job. Powered by a power-state brushless motor, it delivers 13 amp corded performance and can make up to 135 cuts in half-inch rebar on a single charge. You'll also get variable speed control ranging from 3,000 to 9,000 revolutions per minute, rapid stop braking that halts accessories in under 2 seconds, and auto stop kickback protection that instantly reacts to binding. It's fully compatible with Milwaukee's one-key system for tracking and management, includes overload protection, and weighs just 5.5 pounds. The M18 Fuel Dual Trigger Braking Grinder is set to hit shelves this November for $429 bare tool. Now let's shift gears. Ryobi fans, you're going to love this one. They just introduced 2 brand new 40-volt HP brushless 21-inch mowers featuring their next-generation crosscut multi-blade system. The first model is the 40V HP brushless self-propelled all-wheel drive mower, and it's the only cordless AWD walk-behind mower in the industry right now. It delivers more power than a 196 cubic centimeters gas mower, reaching full throttle in under 2 seconds. The all-wheel drive system gives you total traction on any terrain, and Ryobi's SmartTrek adaptive variable speed technology automatically adjusts to your walking pace for effortless mowing. You'll get up to 75 minutes of runtime thanks to the dual active battery ports and the included 2 6 amp-hour batteries. The second model is the push multi-blade version, which ditches the self-propelled system for extended 80-minute runtime on the same 2 batteries, perfect for those who prefer manual control. Both mowers feature a digital LCD cut command center where you can track battery life, runtime, and blade status, and even activate turbo mode or LED headlights right from the handle. They also include a single-point height adjustment with 10 positions, tool-free switching between mulching and bagging, and folding handles for easy vertical storage. Both versions will arrive this December, the AWD model at $799 and the push model at $699, each with two 6-amp-hour batteries and a rapid charger included. Next up, Bosch again, but this time, they're bringing serious power to a small package. Meet the GSA 18V24N, an 18-volt compact reciprocating saw engineered for working in tight or awkward spaces where a full-size saw simply won't fit. Weighing just 3.8 pounds and measuring 13.3 inches long, it's the lightest in its class, yet it still packs a punch. With a 0.94-inch stroke length and speeds up to 3,100 strokes per minute, this little beast cuts fast and clean through wood, metal, and PVC alike. The brushless high-performance motor and redesigned drivetrain are optimized for Bosch's Core 18V batteries, maximizing runtime and cutting speed. It's also loaded with smart features: a variable speed trigger for total control, toolless SDS blade changes, a pivoting footplate for stability, and a built-in LED light to illuminate your workspace. If you need power, precision, and portability all in one, the Bosch GSA 18V24N is available now for $179 bare tool. Next, Laguna Tools is raising the bar for compact woodworking machines with the V10 bandsaw. This machine redefines what a 10-inch bandsaw can do, packing professional-grade features into a space-saving frame. It's the only 10-inch model on the market with cast-iron wheels, providing rock-solid stability and vibration-free operation. Powered by a 1-horsepower induction motor on standard 120 volts, it delivers smooth and steady cutting power through hardwoods, veneers, and more. You get a 9.58-inch throat capacity, a 5.75-inch resaw height, and dual-speed pulleys offering 1,515 FPM for control and 3,280 FPM for speed. The roller-bearing blade guides and micro-adjust system ensure accurate tracking, while a quick-release blade tension lever and magnetic under-table dust port make maintenance effortless. The V10 also includes dual blade tracking windows, a high and low fence, and a 120-volt outlet for an optional LED light. It's available now for $949, with optional accessories like a stand and roller outfeed table. For the DIYers, Eastwood's got something practical and budget-friendly. The new Yost LV6 Homeowner's Bench Vise is designed for everyday reliability without breaking the bank. It features a 5.98-inch jaw width, a 5-inch opening, and even supports up to 2.6-inch pipe capacity for clamping round stock or plumbing components. Despite being lightweight and affordable, it delivers solid clamping force and durable steel construction that's ideal for general garage, workshop, or hobby use. Simple, strong, and efficient, the Yost LV6 is available right now at Eastwood.com for $59.99. Finally, something we've never seen before: DeWalt's first dedicated pipe deburring tool, the DCE710B 20V Max. This compact powerhouse smooths both the inside and outside edges of pipes made from PVC, CPVC, EMT, RMT, stainless steel, black iron, copper, and more. It's got a variable speed paddle trigger for full control, rust-resistant blades for long life, and handles pipe sizes from 3/8 of an inch up to 2 inches, making it perfect for plumbers, HVAC techs, and metalworkers alike. It's also Tool Connect chip-ready, meaning you can integrate it into your digital tool tracking system. Lightweight, easy to use, and incredibly efficient, the DeWalt DCE710B is available right now at Ohio Power Tool for $219 bare tool. And there you have it, some of the most exciting new tool releases hitting the market right now. From compact saws and nailers to next-gen grinders and mowers, there's something here for every kind of builder, maker, or pro. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next Toolspot Roundup. Until next time, keep building smarter, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.